Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this video, we are going to discuss on the design of a DC-DC boost converter using MATLAB Simulink. What is a boost converter? DC-DC boost converter. Boost converter is a DC-DC power converter which step up voltage from its input source to its output load. So, basic circuit diagram of DC-DC boost converter. Open the MATLAB Simulink. Go to library browser, go to Simscape, click on electrical, select the specialized power system, click on source. We need to import all the necessary component from the library: DC voltage source, inductor, capacitor, switching device, MOSFET, diode. Now follow this step to connect all the component properly. Import pulse generator used to drive the switching component. Before running the simulation, make sure the power guide block is added and entire circuit is correctly connected. And save this model. Next step, design calculation of boost converter parameter. Input voltage 24 volt and output voltage 48 volt and load resistance 10 ohm and switching frequency 20 kilo. Calculate duty cycle from this equation. D is equal to 1 minus V0 by Vs. Duty cycle 50%. Step 2, calculate minimum value of inductance. To ensure continuous conduction mode, select the inductor value to 20 to 25% larger than L minimum. This value of inductor multiplied by 1.25 times of L minimum. Step 3, calculate the minimum value of capacitance. Connect the display for output voltage measurement. Enter the parameter value. Configure the pulse generator. Select the time-based generation and set time period in second. T is equal to 1 by F, means switching frequency, and pulse with 50% duty cycle. Then select the simulation time 2 seconds. Click run. Simulation is running. Observe the output voltage. Output voltage is displayed on the scope. Observe output voltage waveform in the scope. Get pulse waveform shows a 50% duty cycle, and current waveform is continuous, indicating operating in continuous conduction mode. Output voltage 48 volt, very close to desired value. Diode shows 0.7 volt drop, which causes a slight drop in output voltage. This is expected due to the diode forward voltage drop. Hope this video help you understand how to design and simulate a boost converter using MATLAB Simulink. Thanks for watching.